Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use transitions template from AinTrailers Explainer Video Toolkit version 2 for Adobe After Effects. Okay, so after we open the project, we will find these two subfolders, Basic and Custom Transitions. So let's immediately check the transitions in action. For example, let's take two scenes where one has to change from one scene to the other. So in our example, we have a room and then we have a park. So as you can see, the transition between the two is too harsh. Now let's add a transition which will make the changing of these scenes more smooth. So choose the basic transition and move it to the timeline. So you'll see there are three markers on the timeline for the transition. We've got the start, the end, and the filled, which means the filled screen. So what you have to do next is move the transition on the timeline to the edge of the end of the first scene. The filled marker must be exactly on that edge of the first scene. To customize the color in our transition, simply double-click it. We then see the color control panel lets us change the colors. Highlight the color control layer and switch to effect controls. You can see that you can customize each of the three colors available. So let's go back to our composition and check the result. Great. So this is what refers to basic transitions. Now let's look at transitions with alpha channel from the custom folder. You can choose any transition that you like and then you move it to the timeline. Then set it up exactly where you want it. As you can see, for this type of transition, we have two markers indicated start and end. So let's check out one more feature, how to make the transition animation quicker. So to do this, you highlight the layer and right-click with your mouse button. Then you find the time point and then you pick time stretch. A dialog box pops up and then all you do is you simply type in a smaller value, for example, 25%. Now you can see that our transition timeline has become that much shorter. Now we'll have a look at how to turn on the alpha channel. So in order to make the effect work, highlight the layer of the first scene and then in the track matte, select alpha matte. This takes away our transition from the second scene. For this transition to work correctly, it's important that the first scene should not go beyond the markers. I think it looks really good. So this video guide for this section is over. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on new products and offers.